Heartfelt, John Rendes, gusto nang sumunod kay Nora Honor. Mahal na mahal ang kanyang popoy. Three days ago ay nag-live si John Rendes sa kanyang Facebook official page at sinabing hindi madali ang kanyang pinagdaraanan ngayon dahil wala na ang kanyang lifetime partner na si superstar Nora Honor. Pagkatapos ng kanyang Facebook Live, nag-post naman si John Rendes ng mahabang mensahe at nakakaantig ng damdamin na tribute para sa kanyang popoy. Tawag niya kay Guy, and here it goes. It's still hard to accept that our beloved superstar and national artist is gone. My greatest heart is that I was not able to see her one last time before she was put into the ground. By the time natakpan na po yung coffin niya, I have so many regrets in my life, but she never gave me any reason for regret. She was the one good thing in my life. She gave me purpose. She gave me hope. She gave me love, unconditional love. Not one night or day passes by that I don't think about her. Pupoy ko, ang sakit po. Sana po magkita tayo soon. Ang sabi ko sa'yo kung saan ka, susunod po ako sa'yo. Ako ang shadow mo. God bless you and thank you for the many years you gave me happiness. I don't know if I'll be able to smile again. I love you so much. Higit pa sa buhay ko. Hopelessly devoted po ako sa'yo. Good night, my love. Sana po I'll see you again soon. Diyos na po ang bahala. I love you forever and beyond. I'll never forget you po. God bless you po, Miss Nora Honor. My one and only true love, my soulmate. Miss you so much. May plano ang Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin. Basta magpakatatag ka lang John Rendes at siguradong yan din ang gugustuhin ng ating superstar Nora Honor. Di ba naman? Jen Donna Pegres Morena at Marie Cusi na mga huling nakasama ni Ate Guy sa kanyang huling sandali. Well, nakakabahala nga ang naging post na yon ni John Rendes na tila ba gustong sumunod na at pumanaw na rin para magkita na sila ng kanyang pinakamamahal na si Popoy. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.